Alright, hello everyone. So, this is my shop sim project inspired by games like Receiver and I'm Shoptail, which came out in 2007. It's been a bit, but no game has really topped it, in my opinion, or at least I haven't heard of a game that's topped it. So, basically, this is my attempt at it. I've been working on this since April, so it's been 5 months. So you go over here, you got your shop. We have an inventory system in already, so you can like move your potions around and stuff like that. If you didn't have stuff on you, you could go ahead and head to the supply shop. There's this one. You could buy various things. So we have 3 of the small. We'll go ahead and get some more of the small ones. And now we have 8. Okay, and then I guess we'll come back over here. Now, since we went to a shop, time will advance when we get back here. If you can see in the upper left, that little black needle will advance to the next section. So that's how we handle that. And we can go ahead and put our products out. So let's put maybe one of each item. So we'll put a blue one, a red one, and then a bigger health potion there. Also, you can add different furniture. So if I wanted to, I could, add some more there. I could also pick it up. If I remember what key it was, there we go. And then you can also get rid of furniture. So that's how that's going to work. But let's go ahead and open up the shop. So, we got our basic dialogue box going here. No portraits yet, but I do want to do the same thing that Receiver does with the, characters, and there's a set number, and they have personalities and stuff like that. So we can go ahead and say, we want to do 120. And yeah, okay, that seems like a fair price, but, let's say that we're like, want to go up to 150 here. They're like, can't you go a little bit lower? It's like, okay, well, no, I'm going to go higher. All right, so they'll leave, if it's too high of a price. Yep, and then you can see the needle advanced again because we're doing the time. So we got that. We also have, if I add some resources to my inventory here, we do have the basics of crafting in. So if we go to the workshop here, we can head over here, and we should be able to make some more health potions. How much do we have on us right now? We have 7. Okay, so 7. And then let's see if this works, because I actually haven't tested this in a long time. Do we have... Yeah, we have 12. Okay, so crafting's still working. I recently switched over to a bunch of new lighting and updated the engine, and a bunch of shit broke, so that was one of the things I haven't tested yet. But we can go to the Adventurers Guild now. If you ever played .hack Infection, they have like a squad mechanic in there, which I really like, so that's kind of where I'm going more so with the battle system. So the idea here is that you would have multiple people you can hire, just like in Receiver. And then let's go hire Will in France. And then we would, head out and go battle. So this is, the first version of the dungeon. We only have like basically 1 or 2 basic rooms. And we have our squad mates here, and they have barely, just enough AI to decide to attack this guy here. And I think we'll do one more battle, and then I'll show. So basically, because we're in testing phases, I have the exit like at the entrance, so we're just gonna walk back after this. But yeah, I currently the melee, the fighting, it's all based on like the actual hitbox of the weapon, and I'm thinking that leads to some inconsistencies where you look like from your angle it should hit, but it doesn't always. So I'm thinking about just going like straight up. Okay, if they hit it, they attack, and the thing just goes through. Anyway, rambling a little bit, but yeah, so there's more things I want to add to this. I want to polish it up. You know, the character models I think need to be swapped out at some point, because right now I'm just using like VR avatars that, you know, I could use in commercial, but you know, I want to have like different kind of body builds, so that's something I need to work on at some point. But yeah, this is the current status of the project. So I do have a Discord, so if you want to go check it out, stay up to date. I'm going to be doing weekly updates, and then eventually I'll be getting this from a prototype phase to an alpha phase, and when that happens, I'll have anyone who has the Patreon, I think, yeah, I set it for $20. Whoever has that Patreon status will get the alpha access role, and then they'll be able to play the weekly builds, because I'm trying to keep this in... I want to get this to the stage where there can be a new build every week, or every bi-weekly, every 2 weeks, so that, you know, it's just I get like feedback, right? Because I don't want to develop this in a, what's the word? I forget. Like it's basically, I don't want to develop this alone, work on it for 3 years, and then like everyone hates it. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to keep it. Plus, it's good for bug testing if like every week there's a new build and people to test it. So yeah, that's the current status of this project, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye.